How do you draw a scene or a still life and get the proportions and the perspective right? Well, there are many ways, and today we'll try one of them. Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I'm glad you are here. I have a fun assignment for you, so let's draw. I've set up a small still life of everyday objects in my studio. A great way to forget about perspective yet still get it right is by doing a continuous line drawing. In a continuous line drawing, you keep your pen on the paper without lifting it, and your eyes are moving between the subject and your paper. You let your pen follow your eyes as they trace the contours and the shapes of your subject. By focusing on a single, unbroken line, you're training your eye to observe angles, proportions, and perspective and scale without needing to think about perspective rules. This helps you capture the essence of your subject in a way more intuitive way. The continuous line also creates a sense of movement and energy in your drawing. When we're trying very hard to get it right, our marks can become stiff and feel kind of disconnected. With the flow of the continuous line, your drawing feels more organic and alive. You're not stopping to correct mistakes, and with that, you develop a more confident, fluid line, keeping the drawing fresh and spontaneous. Take your time. Pause, but don't lift your pen, to observe where shapes meet, notice the angles and check proportions, but don't get caught up in details. A big benefit is that by focusing on the continuous motion, you avoid perfection, keeping the process smooth, light, and enjoyable. Creativity flows naturally. Because you're drawing in one continuous motion, you're less likely to make assumptions about distances or angles. Instead of drawing what you think that you know you're seeing, you're drawing what you actually see. You trust your direct observation, which then makes you draw better proportions. Over time, this method helps you to translate distances and relationships between objects into your sketchbook pages. By practicing it, you're improving your overall sense of proportion too. Well, here's your drawing assignment for this week, if you're up for it. Look inside your bag, or empty your pockets, or gather a few items from your desk, like I did. Whatever catches your eye, don't overthink this, just anything goes. Place them in front of you. Make sure that the items overlap a bit and that some are closer to you than others. Open your sketchbook and draw them all in one continuous line. That's your challenge. The one rule here is, do not lift your pen. At first, it might feel tricky to find your way around all the shape with just that one line. And also to get the proportions right, it will be wonky. But continuous line drawing is simple to practice. The more you do it, the better your hand follows your eye. And with that, your drawings become more accurate and fluid. Draw your breakfast, your shoes, a selfie, your dog, your hand. Anything works. The more you practice, the more fluid you'll become. And you'll be surprised how well you capture perspective without even thinking about it. You'll be too busy finding clever ways to get from one point to the other on the paper while keeping your pen down and focusing on proportions. Once you've finished your continuous line drawing, you can leave it as is or add color. You can use watercolors, gouache, markers, pencils, crayons, or even just hatching lines for shadows. Make it yours. And before you go, hit the like and subscribe buttons here on YouTube, and I will see you next week for another Draw Tip Tuesday video. See you then. Bye.